Hey guys, it's Wednesday, July the 3rd. Everybody's doing well and having a good trading week so far. It's going to be a short trading week because tomorrow market's closed, July the 4th. So I won't have a video tomorrow or Friday because I don't trade on Friday, so I won't have another video till Monday. So, get the advertisements out of the way. This is for trading education purposes only. Trade at your own risk. Do your own due diligence and research. And trading Forex currencies is risky and you can lose all your money. So only trade with money you can afford to lose. And do not follow anybody blindly, and that includes me. So now that we got that out of the way, going to the pound dollar, and it made a big up move since last night and today, and it's now made a 1 hour sell, but it's kind of fallen off, so it's running away. So I'm not going to chase it. It's got to come back to give me an opportunity, or otherwise you just miss it and you move to the next one. And that's on the pound dollar. Aussie dollar, I'm still in this trade from yesterday. I moved my stop up drastically, actually, because I got the sell arrows here. I'm under this low, so I'm getting close to being stopped out, but that's fine. I've been in way down here. So I'd already taken off half the position when I got up to here, and now I moved the second half of my position, stops up here, so it's done what it's supposed to do. The second half, if it works like it's supposed to, the second half will always make more than the first half. Excuse me. So the pound CAD is in a 1 hour sell. It's running away too, so there's nothing to do here. Gotta wait on another push up. So there's nothing to do on the pound CAD. Pound yen's made a 1 hour sell. It's running away. There's nothing to do on it yet. So nothing to do on the pound yen. Euro, New Zealand. Of course, the market's closed tomorrow, and that may be the reason these are doing this. There's your sell opportunity right there. If you didn't get that one, there was your second opportunity right there, which I didn't get in till this candle right here though. But I've been able to take off half the position, and I've got my stop at break even plus $3. So it's going to make some, and that's the only position I'm in is the Euro New Zealand. And the Aussie dollar, but it looks like I'm going to get stopped out of that because that's my stops at the low of that candle, so getting pretty close. So if that happens, the only one I'll be in is the Euro New Zealand. The pound New Zealand is sold off too. It's got to come back up to give another sell. Nothing to do on the pound New Zealand. New Zealand yen's got a 1 hour sell. It's trying to sell off. It's got to come back before I can get in it. So there's nothing to do on the New Zealand yen. And all these are basically because of tomorrow. The Euro Aussie is in a sale. If you didn't get that one, this one was, I believe, too far away. That high was 161.76. And that is 33. So that's 43 plus 4 on the spread, so that's 47, so that's too much. I can't take that. It's too big a risk. And I said it was going to come down, fill in that gap, and guess where it came down? Fill in that gap. Now, are we going to go lower, or is this going to turn around from here? So there's nothing to do on the Euro Aussie. Euro CAD is in a sell. Let me get that. Kind of, if you didn't get in right there, you haven't had an opportunity, except for maybe right there. The high of those arrows is 147.62, and that's 34. So that's about 32. So that was within the parameters right there. I'd like to have seen it come up to here though to get in. And it still might, but right now there is nothing to do. If you get in right now on the Euro CAD sell, that high, that candle is your stop. And that would be a low risk trade right now. That would be actually 34 32, actually be still over 30, be 36. So I'm not taking that trade. Probably work out if you're in it. Remember, that's your stop. Pound Aussie. There's one opportunity, actually 1, 2. There's the other one. That was the good sell-off, then the buy, but it ran away. I'm looking for it to come back down somewhere into here, about 189.50s or upper 40s for buy opportunity. So there's nothing to do on the pound Aussie. CAD yen, only looking for sales. It has a sell setup, but the setup is not there yet. So nothing to do on the CAD yen. Euro yen, only looking for sales. Same picture. I mean, you could get in right here on the sell euro yen sell, because that's what I'm looking for. The odd yen, same thing. So all of those are exactly the same picture. So the only ones I'm in is the Euro New Zealand short and the Aussie dollar long, but I'm getting close to being stopped out on the Aussie dollar right there. But I made money on it, so I'm okay with that. But I would look for better opportunities. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to go to my video and the comment. Under the video is a comment section. You just put your question or comment in there, and I'm usually able to get back to you pretty quickly. Again, if you missed it, tomorrow the market's closed here in the U.S., July the 4th. So I won't be trading tomorrow, and I don't trade on Friday, so I won't have another video until Monday. So you guys have a good long weekend. If you're in these trades, please monitor them, move them when you can. Because the overseas countries, there'll still be some trading going on, but it'll be very light because the U.S. will be closed because we celebrate the 4th. And for those of you who may be new, first time here, my name's Terry. I do Forex swing trading and don't do day trading, even though at times there is a trade that sets up during the daytime for my session, which is Eastern Time, New York. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and I only ask that so that way I know that I'm helping somebody. Subscribe if I'm helping you. If you feel I'm not helping you, then there's no reason to subscribe. And please, if you have subscribed to other trade rooms or trade gurus and they didn't help you, go back and unsubscribe, and they'll get the message. When they start seeing a flood of unsubscribes, they're going to get the message. So unless you do that, they don't get the message. They still get paid by YouTube. So it's up to you to do that, but I know that's what I would do. So we'll plan on seeing everybody on Monday. Have a good weekend and be safe.